Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Ankr coin. In this video I'm talking about the latest update about Ankr coin, but before starting this video please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, now the currently latest update of the Ankr coin will give us a very huge surprise. But before showing the surprise, please click the subscribe button and also like this video. If you subscribe my channel, so I will give you the latest update about cryptocurrencies market, especially about Ankr coin. Now my friends, that is the last 2 hours update of the Ankr coin. Absolutely, if we talk about the Ankr coin latest price in the market, so now the latest price of the Ankr coin is 0.083273 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Ankr coin. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, so positive 1.6%. 1.6% the price of the Ankr coin increase, and the highest price of the Ankr coin is 0.08371 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the Ankr coin in the last 2 hours interval. You can see from the price chart, it's also clear that Ankr coin is a positive cryptocurrency, but unfortunately, the latest situation, you can see I'm talking about that exchange is going wrong. In the last time, the price of the Ankr coin is very badly dumps. So never decide to sell, my friends, just hold it. I hope that they will give you a huge amount of profit if you hold for long term. Now I know that the currently latest update is fast down, so my friends, remember that if these fasts continue for the upcoming 5 hours 4 hours, so sell it. But if these fasts continue for 1 hour 2 hours, so never decide to sell, just hold it for a long time. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.